Changing your username on PayPal can help you maintain your online identity or adapt to a new preference. Follow these steps to update your username. Step 1. Log into your PayPal account. Visit the PayPal website and enter your login credentials to access your account dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the settings icon, usually represented by a gear symbol, and click on it to open your account settings. Step 3. Access personal information. In the account settings menu, find the section labeled personal information or account information to view your current username and other details. Step 4. Edit your username. Look for the option to edit your username. Click on it and enter your desired new username in the provided field. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new username, make sure to save the changes by clicking the appropriate button. You may need to confirm your identity through a verification process. Once you have completed these steps, your username will be updated. Remember to log out and look back in to see the changes reflected in your account.